a little quick video. If you have a driver's license and you're driving your car and you see these 18-wheelers on the interstate, think of what they're carrying. They're carrying stuff that you can use, that you can buy, other people can buy. Without them on the interstates, you won't be able to buy anything. So just think about that for a minute, all right? These truckers, they literally put their lives at risk every day to drive these big trucks carrying these heavy loads up to 80,000 pounds per trailer. A lot of them, some of them are carrying over that, which by law they shouldn't be, unless they're considered a oversized load. But if you're on the interstate, give the guys a break, because they cannot stop these trucks very quick. Loaded, they could drop them, they could stop them, with a reasonable amount of distance. So if you sit there and pull out in front of them and hit your brakes, 9 times out of 10, you're going to get hit. If they're empty, you're definitely going to get hit, because they're harder to stop when they're empty than they are when they are loaded. And they have no trailer at all, then there's really twice the limit of stopping distance it takes to stop them. So give them a break, because they're only trying to do their jobs, provide for their family. Because right now, if they're on the road, they're away from their family right now. So they are out here months at a time away from their family, trying to make a living for their family. And people don't understand that they cannot stop on a dime, and yet they're mad at them because they get hit by one of them. So therefore, I tried to give them enough room to where they have no issues with me, because I've been a truck driver for over 12 years. So I know what it takes to get these suckers going down the road. So I know how to deal with them. So therefore, they don't give me any issues. But I'm just saying, look out for them, because they don't mean no harm. And a lot of them have been doing this long enough to know, and they can predict what's going to happen if somebody gets in their way. Anyways, hope everybody has a good, safe travels for the eclipse coming up, which is the eclipse, providing that weather gives us a good break and lets us see the eclipse. So as of right now, the prediction is rain is in the forecast for a lot of the area, especially Texas. So a lot of people are not going to get to see the eclipse. Anyways, that's all I have right now. Yes, I finally did get me a car, and so I use it mostly to take the stepkids to school or their boxing training, stuff like that, wherever they need to go. And then me and my wife, we go where we need to go. Our doctor visits, places like that. But anyways, just a little quick update. I'm sorry I want to do more videos. I'm still kind of new to this, and I still don't know what I'll talk about. I really have nothing going on at this point in time to share with anybody. But bear with me. I will try to get more content out there, providing that I can get more followers, more subscribers. That tongue twister this evening. So yeah, I still have 0 subscribers at this time. But it's alright. If I don't get none, I don't get none. That's okay. And if I do, thank you for subscribing. Hit that like button if you want, or if you don't want, you don't have to. It's okay. Anyways, that's all I have to say right now. Right now in North Austin now. Traffic was a little hectic going through downtown, and now we're hitting the brakes again. Lovely traffic in Austin, Texas. We gotta love that traffic, because you no longer can get through Austin any time of the day and not have to worry about traffic. So there's that. More people moving in than Austin knows what to deal with, and that's our biggest problem right now. Is people are moving in, and so, which by all means, if you're moving in Austin, welcome to Austin. The place can be hell sometimes, can be great sometimes. We have our ups and we have our downs. But as of right now, oh man, I am sitting here looking at traffic way up ahead, and it's just nothing but bumper to bumper. And this is Sunday evening. People getting to their destinations for tomorrow to see the eclipse. Because Austin is going to have not partial totality. There's some places that's going to have totality. So if you're traveling tomorrow, look out for them big trucks, and by all means, don't stop in front of them, because you're looking for trouble if you do. Anyways, God bless. Have a great day.